One useful thing about Vim is that it runs right inside a command line terminal window. This means that learning minimum viable Vim dovetails nicely with learn enough command line to be dangerous. The way to get started is just to type Vim at the command line prompt. The result is a launch screen that will vary by system. It's important to understand that this is a blank slate. The things that appear here in the left margin, these tildes here, and the content in the middle, are part of the launch screen, but don't represent content that would be saved. One unusual thing about Vim, which is probably unlike anything you've seen before, is that it's what's called modal. The two most important modes are normal mode, which is what we see right here, and insertion mode, which is what you actually use to type text. But unlike most applications, you can't just click in the window and start typing. So for example, suppose I were to type this line here, help poor children in Uganda. Wait, what's going on here? What's happening here? It's really strange, right? Well, it's not strange if you're used to Vim. And at this stage, it's not important to know exactly what happened. Instead, this gives us the chance to use the most important Vim command. If you learn only one Vim command, it should be this one. The command is escape: Q! We'll learn over the next few sections exactly what this does, but for now, it's enough to memorize it and know that if you're ever stuck in Vim, you should type escape: Q!